here, everyone. So this is our concrete pour for the slab. As you can see here, we have our concrete pump, we have our concrete truck, we have the concrete flowing into the slab. Covering these black solid cable pipes, never to be seen again. So these are our drain pipes. They are here, but these will actually be replaced. These are here more for sleeve purposes, in order to have that that hole at each of the locations of these pipes. So you know that once the concrete dries up, we'll remove these pipes and then put newer pipes in place. It's a windy, nice day. Not gonna lie, it's a very, very beautiful day. It's rainy, it's windy. You know, because we're about to. Oh, look at that! Just look at that! Just look at that concrete. Nice, eh? So it's like a slump mixture. Gets mixed up. Sorry. It gets mixed up in that drum, right? And it's constantly spinning, so that it doesn't settle. And then I don't know if there's, I mean, it's a mixture of water, obviously, water and aggregate. But then essentially this is pulled up and then goes down. It flows away. I think that is that water? I'm not sure. No, I think that's oil. I think that's a fuel. And you know, it just keeps getting pulled up, and the concrete just keeps getting you know, loosened up, and gets poured out, and then it gets pulled up. So yeah, anyways, like, share, subscribe, comment. The next one.